we've got these Bravada seats, and as you can see, this is going to be a perfect example to do a foam repair. So I'm just cutting it out, taking out the old chunk, and then I'm going to cut out a new piece and just put in a square, steam the foam, get it back to its shape. And this new piece I'm going to put in, and then I shape it down with a turkey carver.
All right, so after I get it like roughed out, I typically like to get some decking and just wrap it around it, glue it on, and that kind of holds the form, makes it more durable, especially on the driver's seat because it rips all the time from all the wear. So this kind of just keeps it stronger and kind of builds back that form.